Hello, and welcome to Eclipse and Amazon Web Services. My name is Cesar Cantua, and I'm an IT specialist with the Developer Skills team. In this demo, we will talk a bit about the Amazon Web Services toolkit and how it works with Eclipse. We will then create a simple Hello World Java web application and deploy it to the cloud. For this demo, you will need to have Eclipse installed and set up. You will also need to have an Amazon Web Services account. To set up an Amazon account, just visit aws.amazon.com. There you will be able to learn more about it and set up a free account. All the links are on the resource page at the end of this demo. With modern applications running in clustered environments made up of several servers, setting up a cluster can involve locating, connecting, maintaining, and configuring a significant amount of hardware. Once you manage to do this, keeping the middleware, operating system, and application code consistent with each server can be very inefficient and tedious for the development process. This free open source plugin for Eclipse makes it easier and more efficient for you to develop, deploy, and debug a Java application on top of Amazon Web Services. You can even design an entire AWS hosted Tomcat-based cluster from within Eclipse. With the AWS toolkit, you'll be able to deploy by launching a cluster of Tomcat servers and upload your applications to the cluster with the press of a button. Debug by automatically configuring remote debugger connections for diagnosing problems run in the cloud. Manage without ever leaving your development environment. And extend by being able to contribute back to the project. More information can be found at aws.amazon.com/eclipse. Here is the Eclipse architecture. The Eclipse platform is at the bottom with everything else on top being plugins. The Amazon Web Services toolkit is simply a plugin that you can download from within Eclipse. So now that you know a little bit about Amazon Web Services, let's get into the demo. Once you've opened Eclipse, you want to download the software. To do this, go up to Help and Install New Software. You'll have to type in the Amazon AWS website. So type in aws.amazon.com/eclipse. Once it finds the software, click the checkbox to download all. Click Next. Read through the license agreement, and if you agree, check I accept the terms of the license agreements, and click Finish. Eclipse will now download and install the software for you. Once it's finished, it will ask you to restart. Click on Yes, and Eclipse will be restarted. Now that you have downloaded and installed the software, let's take a look at the 4 perspectives that come with the AWS toolkit. To do this, go up to Window, Show View, Other, and scroll up to Amazon EC2. Expand it, and click on the first EC2 AMI. Click OK, and it will open it in the console. Do this for the rest of the 3 views. You can also hold down Shift, select all 4, and click OK, and it will open all 4 at the same time. Now let's go through the perspectives. The first tab is called EC2 AMIs. This view provides a list of all available AMIs. You can also search for AMIs, launch Amazon EC2 instances from AMIs, and delete AMIs that are registered to you from here. The second tab is EC2 Elastic Block Storage. This view allows you to manage your Amazon Elastic Block Storage volumes and snapshots. EC2 instances. This is a tab that you will most likely have selected most of the time while working with AWS from Eclipse. This view provides a list of all the Amazon EC2 instances currently running under your account and allows you to manage them directly from here. Finally, the EC2 security groups allows you to easily manage your Amazon EC2 security group. The neatest thing about this view is that it allows you to quickly and easily add and remove groups, as well as add and remove permissions for each security group. Before you can start using Amazon Web Services, you have to configure your Amazon account in Eclipse. To do this, go down to the console and click on the link shown. This will open a window where it will ask you to enter your account information. You can access your account information by clicking on the link provided.